Okay guys, just open your settings application, then select connected devices, then select link to Windows. You can see here. Okay, in this feature you can access only with your Windows Microsoft account. You must log in your computer first to your Microsoft account, then log in that same ID to your Samsung Android phone. Okay, this feature is available all of the Android devices. Samsung take this feature something good. Okay, and you can simply enjoy the calls, text message and more from your computers. Okay, if you are linked your phone to Windows, then you can easily receive calls from your computer. You can make calls and also you can check the messages, and also some other features like you can easily transfer your files, and also if you are copying something in your clipboard like photos, videos or any text, that's you can simply paste it to your Windows without any other problems. So it is create an ecosystem between your mobile and Android device. If you are type some long text, or if you are create a summary on your Galaxy Note, you can just copy to your clipboard, then paste into Windows Word or anywhere in your computer without any problems. So it is create an ecosystem, so that's a very useful feature. This is not for the Galaxy devices, it's also available almost Android devices. Okay, so you can use QR code system to use sign in. Like if you are open your Windows settings, then go to account, you can see here your signed accounts. There is, you can access the QR code, just scan it, you can simply log in with that. You must log in your Windows first. Okay, you must log into your Windows account, that means your Windows Microsoft account, then scan the QR code on your mobile. That's it. You can simply use your Android phone on your Windows PC, like calls, text messages and clipboard and files. That's guys, very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.